And joining me now live to dive deeper into this discussion is Nina Esposito-Visgitis from the Pittsburgh Federation of Teachers and Perry High School teacher Stephanie Byars. Thank you both for talking to us tonight.
Good to be here, Megan.
So let's start at the beginning with Nina. How long has the union been asking for teachers to get consideration?
You know what? It's been well over a month now when they expanded the 1A, because as you know, we were 1B, which we still are, and we were in line to get vaccinated. We have a vaccination committee with the Pittsburgh Public Schools, and we were in line to be vaccinated in February, which we were expecting to be because we are slated to go back to school in April. So we were kind of very disappointed, I'll say, when we were pulled from the vaccination rotation. So we were very disappointed.
Stephanie, you're a teacher. What did you first think when you heard that teachers could soon be prioritized?
It's very exciting for me because my primary concern, just as a parent, is to make sure that my daughter's protected. And so going back into the crowd of school is terrifying for me because it becomes a matter of, if I get sick, who's going to take care of her for 14 days? And then to add on to that, who's going to teach my students for 14 days if I'm out? We have substitutes, but not a substitute that's going to replace me in my Spanish and Portuguese classes.
What other concerns have you heard from your teacher friends when it comes to returning to class without having protection yet?
So our concern is just that kids are kids. And I've heard that from a number of people, just that it's going to be difficult to have students consistently wearing masks, to make sure that they're social distancing from one another. And it's going to be difficult to give students one-on-one help inside of the classroom without getting closer to them. So just really to be able to be closer to students so that students can be closer to students and there's less of a fear of a mass transmission.
Nina, what is the current plan for our district's, our area's largest district, which is Pittsburgh Public Schools?
Well, we have come up with and as you know, the district had a very inclusive plan set up over the summer, where over 300 people worked together to come up with the safety plan. The Pittsburgh Federation of Teachers then worked with the district on a memorandum of understanding, and we have, which I think is a very complete safety plan, working together with them. We have continued the meetings with the district to go over each of the pieces set forth in the CDC plan, the mitigation strategies, including ventilation, PPE, all of the different parts, because we want to make sure that our members feel safe. Because as you know, vaccinations are a very important part of it, but they also talk about strategies that are layered on that also. And now, if we are vaccinated, which I certainly hope we are, that will be a gigantic piece of that.
Stephanie, I don't know if you have any teachers in any other states, but I was curious how you would rank Pennsylvania's prioritization or not prioritizing you.
So I've heard, I think mostly in Colorado, that teachers are already being vaccinated. But as far as the return to schools, even, without vaccinations, we're kind of on par with other large districts. Okay. So, it takes a lot to get that many people back into buildings. So it's exciting that we'll be getting access to the vaccine soon so we can get back into buildings.
Well, Stephanie and Nina, thank you both for your time. We appreciate it.